Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So I first want to say again, thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings from beauty, lifestyle, snacks to pets. We do it all here. So definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. Also, guys, don't forget we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. So the 2 links will be down below. Enter if you have not already. As you can see, today we are doing the BULLYMAKE box. This is definitely Oscar and Otis's favorite box. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about BULLYMAKE, and then we will get into seeing what they got for October 2019. So BULLYMAKE is a monthly box for power chewers. It is $39 a month. Now you can get it as low as $31 a month if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. It is free shipping, which is awesome. And each box will be 5 to 6 premium items, and you'll get 2 to 3 toys or 3 to 4 treats. It'll just be a mix. And now the one thing I really love, you tell them the size of your dog and you tell if there is any allergy information, which I think is great. Now, if you are placing your order for the first time, your box will ship the next business day. After that, it's going to ship out every 30 days. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out and sign up for BULLYMAKE and treat your fur babies. But let's get in here and see, like I said, what Oscar and Otis got for October. Oh. So this is what we see when we open it. So the October BULLYMAKE box. And then it has on the back the featured products, which are going to be the toys. So let's take a look. It's a zombie head. And I do like, you can see it's one of the toys you can put treats in. So they got a zombie head and it's $18. It says, "Don't worry, your pooch will be having too much fun to be running scared. Like a real zombies, this solid rubber head is hollow. You can load it with treats or brains and keep your dog entertained for hours. Risen from the dead right here in the USA." So there is that guy right there. That is adorable. And then let's see. The next toy, it says a BULLYMAKE bat. Let's see. This is also $18. Usually when they are in the packaging like this, they have some sort of like flavor or something, but here is the bat. In the dead of night, this tough nylon bat has flapped to your pup straight from its cave, a truly spooky and candy-flavored treat. This bat will be the perfect distraction from all that tempting Halloween candy. Made in the USA. Happy chewing. Oh, it smells like maple syrup. It does. I got a whiff of something. That's why I smelled it. I'm like, and it straight up smells like maple syrup. All right, so there are the 2 toys for October. Now, not that the toys aren't their favorite, but let's be honest, they dig the treats. So let's get to, we have 3 bags of treats. So let's get to these guys. All right, so this first one, and it almost looks like Otis. Plump Pumpkins. And this is peanut butter, potato flour, tapioca starch, chickpea flour. Then it's like, let's see, talks about the protein and stuff like that. 1 treat per 10 pounds per day. So I love that their treats are healthy and all of that good stuff. They don't really have, you know, artificial preservatives or anything. So I like that. yummy treats. They're gonna love those. And then we have BULLYMAKE Tricky Treats. These are, oh, they're gonna like these. Turkey, pumpkin, potato starch, vegetable oil, cane molasses, rosemary extract, salt. And then again, it goes over like the protein, the fat, the fiber. And I love that they have healthy treats that are made in the USA. So they will definitely love these guys. And then they have one final treat here. And these are BULLYMAKE chicken and bacon squares. They're gonna love these. Chicken, potato flour, tapioca starch, bacon fat, natural flavors. And again, all the information, one treat per 10 pounds, made in the USA, which again, all of their treats are made in the USA and healthy. Like I said, they don't have any of those nasty artificial preservatives. Like, you know what you're giving to your pup. And both of mine have always loved every treat from BULLYMAKE. So they have 3 different yummy treats to snack on for October. And they got a zombie head to play with at treats. And then they got the bat, like I said, smells like maple syrup. So that was the BULLYMAKE box for October 2019. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link if you would like to sign up. Like I said, and treat your fur babies. Mine certainly do. Love this subscription so much. Let me know what you think. I think it's super cute, adorable, and I love how they every month play on, you know, whatever holiday or something that may be going on. So I really enjoy this box, but most importantly, Oscar and Otis really enjoy this box. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you on the next one. Bye.